I'll chase the shooting stars, go by, dance with the fireflies at night. It's all possible. I'm gonna dream up something big, 'cause life is better when it's lived. It's all.
Mother, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka today. And mahal na mahal ka namin. Ako, si Mon, si Zane, si Clay, we're always here. Sana mas mahaba pa yung buhay mo para lagi tayong makaka-celebrate. And sana huwag na masyadong matigas yung ulo.
Look at the world straight in the eye and say I'm gonna take a leap. I'm ready to be free. Spread my wings.
Binabati ko ang aking pinakamamahal na nanay, si Maria Luisa Bicmudo. Sana maligaya ka na nagsiuwi kami na mga anak mo at nagkaisa na makapiling mo sa iyong ika-70 kaarawan. Happy birthday, nanay.
I'm gonna capture time itself with all the stories it can tell. It's all possible.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday na binigay ng mga kapatid ko na kasi nagsiuwi sila. At sana mas bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mas mahabang buhay kasi mas ma-enjoy natin. Makasama yung mga apo mo at mga anak mo. Yun lang at happy birthday ulit. I love you!
I feel like a hot air balloon. I'll build a rocket to the moon. It's all possible. I'm gonna capture time itself with all its.
Hi Nanay, happy birthday. Sana matagal ka pa naming makasama. And I love you from the bottom of my heart.
Hold my head up high. Look at the world straight in the eye and say I'll take on every day like there's nothing in my way. Hold my head up high.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Sana huwag nang matigas yung ulo mo at lagi ka nang makinig kay Mama. Happy birthday! I love you always. Enjoy lang.
Be free. Spread my wings. Spread my wings.
Abay, happy birthday! Sana umaba pa ang buhay mo. Thank you. I love you.